2024 Toyota Vios XLE CVT. Ikutin natin. Sariwang sariwa guys, good as new po. Check natin gulong. Kapal. 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 Check natin loob guys. Okay, ito yung loob. Yung odo almost 18. Bluetooth audio na po. Apple ready. Okay, check natin likod. Okay, check natin baggage guys. Okay, ito yung baggage. Spare tire at saka yung tools. Check natin engine guys. Okay guys, ito yung engine. Sariwang sariwa. Bagong change oil din to. Registration February 2027 pa. Thank you guys.